another video. Today guys, I'm gonna be showing you the top 3 cat spamming weapons in Pixelgun 3D. And before I go on, I want you guys to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Now, let's get back into the video. Now, for the primary section, we have obviously the most popular 3 cat spamming weapon out there is the aluminum. Now, this weapon is like super hard to get, and that's actually a reason why. This shotgun or primary, whatever you want to call it, it literally one-shots every single enemy, but only at a close range. Even at a further range, it can like literally sometimes one-shot people. Now, second of all, we have the Viking. This Viking is not commonly used now because of the release of these Ultimatum like a few months ago. We don't have any more like popular 3 cat spam ones but some of them, yeah. I think both of these are one of the best 3 cat spamming like primaries out there. Second of all, backup. You have the Thunderer or the Exterminator at the first place for 3 cat spamming, because they are almost commonly used by every single person, even though the Thunderer has gained more popularity than the Exterminator in the past few years. Now, second of all, we have the Dual Anger and we have the Retro Revolvers. Both of these are literally the same, and this is for people who use like the normal 3 cat spam method in like the past few years. This sniper to backup to special. Now every single person like does this, boom, boom, and boom. So yeah, both of these are RIP, but some people still use it like in these years, alright? Now, you're a P, well, there's really nothing wrong with the special like melee weapon. But what really matters is the speed of your melee weapon. And for example, if it's like like a 75 mobility weapon, well, you might not want to use that, because why? It slows down your game, alright? It slows down every single thing. Now, for the Demon Sword, it's 65 mobility. Don't use this weapon. It will literally slow you down from gaining faster mobility to run around. So I recommend using 85 mobility weapons like the Hero AP. We got the Elder Force Saber, Good and Evil, Combat, Yo-Yo, and all those kinds of like 85 mobility. Now, it's for a special. One of the most spammed ones is the Necklace of the Ice King. Most of the last time, like a few months ago and last year, everybody uses the poison darts. But no, now it's using the Necklace of the Ice King. So Necklace of the Ice King makes it first place in the special 3 cat spamming. Now, this is already back, and this reflector and the laser bouncer comes in number 3. They were also commonly used back in the days in 2018. Yeah, when it was this to this and to this, everybody used this reflector. But now not. Now for the sniper, I would rather go. There's a lot of choices for 3 cat spamming snipers. For example, we have the sniper exoskeleton, we have the anti-champion rifle, and we have the block rifle. And yeah, all these are the weapons like these are like this anti-hero rifle, laser bow, laser crossbow, laser bow, all these weapons. But yeah, I don't recommend using the fixed delay weapons. What are fixed delay weapons? Well, it always has a trigger delay when you don't even do anything to it. Now, for heavies, for rocket jumping, right? Oh my god, why is it doing this again? For the heavies, for rocket jumping, oh no, it's frozen! Okay, for the heavies, I would recommend the Royal Ashbringer, this rocket jumper. Well, the Circus Canyon, you can basically rocket jump with that. And any every like heavy weapon that you can like rocket jump with and don't take any damage. So yeah, this is some of the top. And I really recommend this type of like setup, like my setup for example. But you can just do a few changes. Like if you don't have the Necklace of the Ice, can you just change it to Poison Dart? You don't have the Sniper Exo. Well, you can just it's just basically your own type. And if you don't have the Heroic AP, you can just like basically use the Good and Evil, the Elder Force Saber, Combat Yo-Yo, Storm Hammer, whatever. But let me show you all of these in game. If my Wi-Fi doesn't crash. Alright, we're going to the match right now. It's called Classic Pool Death Match. Let me show you these weapons in action now. I know my aim is a little bit rusty. I don't play this game in 2 hours. And this is why. And you should actually really change your like 3-cat spamming method for like the regular, where you go from the sniper back up and to special. I think you should go like spike the sniper to special to back up, cause yeah, everybody does that now. Everybody just abandons the normal 3-cat spam. What am I doing right now? I'm just recording the ultimation. Getting killed by the same person. The other Korean guy. Oof, it was lagging right there. So if you have the weapons that like I introduced, you guys better use it, right? So yeah. I know this video is also like super short, it's like 9 minutes only, but I left a lot of like weapons like to introduce for 3-cat spamming cars. you know, the Pixelgun 3D community is like growing every single year. The developers are like adding like almost like overpowered weapons. So that's why I'm not gonna like do a lot of like these weapons, because I know that the developers are like add even more better weapons than this. So yeah, basically thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, don't forget to like subscribe. I'm like, yeah, but just goodbye, all right, goodbye.